Good morning, everyone. Thank you for being here today to discuss this important issue in our company. First, how are you, ladies? If you have any question, please let me know before we start, since we need to handle the same information and know the reason why we are here.
Good morning, thanks Erica. I don't have any question about it. We can start as soon as possible.
Good morning, everyone. I am fine. I don't have any question yet. I think that everyone know why are here because this meeting is important for our company.
Good morning, I am great. Just to be sure we are handling the same information, I just want to explain the main topics to this meeting. First, the new drug for river blindness. Second, the results for the PX200 heart problems. Third, dieting products.
Good morning, Perfect Sandra. Thank you for your summary about these specific topics in this meeting. Well, we can start with the first one.
Okay, let's start. We had some bad issues in our company due to our drug for treatment asthma, harmful side effects, and how image as a company was damaged because we are questioned by a newspaper article. We are trying to develop new products, but we have had other problems with them. One of the problems of rival blindness is that although it's excellent drug, but doesn't generate the necessary gains.
Okay, we need to share for a good solution to resolve the issues as soon as possible. Our image would be affected again. In this case, I think the best solution will be to sell this product in large quantities so that we can see the products of this great drug.
On the other hand, I have to say that I am happy due to the bad result we had gotten for PX200. This drug is for hair problems, as we know, but the results are very bad. I don't know why. If at the beginning of the test, the results were great and we have a good product to develop. What is the problem with this drug? Well, the last test showed contradictory results. Some patients received significant benefits, but the others experienced several breathing difficulties after taking the drug. I don't know if you are agreed to develop this product, even though the bad result in the last test.
We need to take into account this drug is good for the most of our patients because they have gotten good results. But we cannot forget the other part. Definitely, we need to handle this information in our company, but we don't need to make public the results of our test. We have to search or find what is the contraindication in this drug, of way we continue selling it without any problem.
Yes, I agree. First, we must find the contraindication of this drug. After that, we can put the information in the medication container so that users know if they can take or not. Thanks to this, we can continue selling in our drugstore around the world without having legal repercussions.
Okay, Monica, you are right in many things that you say. As we know, there are many patients with hair problems. Then we must support ourselves in carrying out several tests in order not to further increase their problems.
I think that is a wonderful idea. We should conduct surveys to the people affected by our drug, of where we can identify exactly the problem. Likewise, be able to change some components of the actual formula.
Thank you, Sandra, for taking about this topic, since I did this topic that we have not taken about before. I know that developing the new takes time and money, but for the health and the paradigms, we moved to the 2D of offering the best. I don't know, what do you think? Adriana, what is your opinion?
It's true that you say, Camila, but I am not sure it can be quite risky.
I agree with Adriana. This will be risky, but nevertheless, we must all agree because it is an decision that can considerably affect the product.
So we all agree to look for the components that is harming patient. All it is for giving to the user a good service. Although the gains are important, we must thinking about the health of them.
Exactly. The most important thing is offer the best medicines to our patients, taking care of our good name and ethical values of the company.
You are right, Erica. The other topic is our dairy product. We had some important issues with it. The drink has been tested on animals, but most of them became sick. Although we must bear in mind that this new drink could be extremely preferable when it is launched. I don't know what do you think if we continue doing the test on animals or try to develop it without using them.
Well, in my point of view, the animals should be used anymore to test this new product because we are taking the health of although they are animals, they don't have the feel pain of blame of us.
I totally agree with you. We can take advantage of the result obtained previously and start to investigate what was the common problem in them.
Sure, after that, we can change the component which is attacking the organism and continue developing this product without testing more animals.
Okay, I think everyone agree with it. We are finished this meeting and we can say that are not going to cancel the production of any of these medicines. But it's true that we must make adjustments to some components, making different styles of tests and without use animals with the final purpose that not affect the health of the patients.
Thank you for all. And now we need to do the report of our chairperson to explain all our final ideas.
Okay, let's start with it.
Okay, thanks to be here today and I hope the best result.
Thank you for all. Have a good day.